Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to implement our first nodes. Open the Yeti graph. Here you can see all Yeti nodes. We start with the first node. Import node. You can see its parameters by double-clicking on the import node. The first parameter is called name. You can set the type to geometry, groom, guide, feather, and braid. I choose geometry because we have to import geometry. Here is the button that allows us to select the geometry. Most nodes have two buttons. The left side is for enabling and the right side is for disabling the node. This node is called scatter, which distributes points on the geometry. You can control density or density multiplier. Density multiplier is a multiplier on top of the base density. By default, scatter creates fairly random points. By increasing the relaxation steps, the points relax their positions, which result in a more even and regular distribution. The grow node is used to create fibers. Let's import our groom in the graph. Grow node can accept strands in its second input. By doing this, the length of the fibers is adjusted based on the length of the strands. When the minimum and maximum length set to 1, the length of the fibers is equal to the length of the groom. The comb node is used to apply the shape of a groom to fibers or particles. Comb node can accept strands in its second input. A clump node will introduce clumps into the groom, either based on neighboring fibers or a second input fiber object that acts as the clumping points. Clump selection determines if fibers will always clump or if they need to be within a length's distance of a clump origin. We can also control weight random, radius and other parameters. Base attraction, how much the fibers will be attracted to the base of a clump. Attraction bias, the attraction bias along the length of the fibers. Twist causes the fibers to twist themselves around the clump. The higher the value of the flyaway, the more fibers will fly away from the clump. We can use 2 or more clumps or any other modifications. I am using a large clamp after a small clamp. Here you can see the big clamp and small clamp.